this is Daniela. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the WASSUP BREE Tik Tok trend, which is very popular and very easy to learn. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now, let's get started. The very first thing we're going to do is just a whoa. Then we're going to roll our arms and clap. At the normal speed, it's going to look like this. 1 and 2. So just keep on practicing. 1 and 2. Okay, so after this, we're going to do a circle. So basically, one hand is over here on our tummy, and then the other hand just goes to the side. It doesn't have to be extremely straight like this. It just can go over here or over here. It doesn't really matter. So circle, and then we're going to go wave, wave. So for the wave, for this one, our hands are going to be over here as if there was a table here. So wave, wave, and then we're going to whoa again. Okay, let's do it from the very beginning, and we'll move on. Let's go. Whoa, roll, clap, circle, 1, 2, whoa. Okay, so after the second whoa, we're going to cover our face, and then we're going to point to ourselves with our thumbs. Okay, so it's going to look like this. Whoa, cover ourselves. Okay, let's just call this move me, just so that we do it faster. Let's go. Whoa, cover me. Once again, whoa, cover me. Okay, so after this, our right elbow goes to the right, and then our fist goes down, and then our left fist goes on top. Okay, so from the whoa, from the second one, it's going to look like this. Whoa, cover, knee, elbow, 1, 2. Once again, whoa, cover, knee, elbow, 1, 2. Okay, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2. This is going to be very fast. It's going to look like this. 1 and 2. So just practice it again. 1 and 2. Okay, let's do it from the very beginning and we'll move on. Whoa, roll, clap, circle, wave, wave, whoa, cover, knee, elbow, 1, 2. Okay, so after this, we're going to do the mop, which is this move. We're going to go 1, 2, and then we're going to do a circle with our hands like that. So first, a normal one. 1, 2, and then circle. And then we're going to go 1, 2. So we're going to go to the left, and with our right hand, we're going to go like this, as if we were calling someone, and then to the right. Once again, 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. So let's do it from the very beginning, and we'll move on. Whoa, roll, clap, circle, wave, wave, whoa, cover, knee, elbow, 1, 2, mop, circle, 1, 2. Okay, so after we do this, we're going to go 1, 2. Okay, it's going to be pretty slow so that we have time to think about the next moves. So, once again, 1, 2. Okay, once again, 1, 2. You can do it even faster, like with your legs. You can go either 1, 2 or 1, 2, 3, 4. However you want, however it's easier for you, go ahead. So, 1, 2, and then after this, we're going to go. Do step forward with our right leg, then our left arm goes in front of us, and then the right one goes 1, 2, like that. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. And then after this, we're going to walk in one place. We don't have to move forward like this. Okay, just in one place. 1, 2, 3. It takes a lot of practice, because at the beginning, it'll look very weird, just like this, you know, it doesn't really look cool. So just keep on practicing, and you will get it eventually. So let's start from the very beginning, slowly, and then we'll move on, because we don't have much left. So let's go. Whoa, roll, clap, circle, 1, 2, whoa, cover, knee, elbow, 1, 2, 1, 2, circle, 1, 2, 1, 2, step, 2, walk, walk, walk. Okay, so after we do this, we're gonna go one as if we were looking for something, and then one hand goes behind our head, and then the other one does a circle. While we twist our leg just like this, but we're gonna straighten our left one too, so it's gonna look like this, all together. One, okay? So, and then our hand just goes to the starting position again, so it goes like this, one. Once again, one. Okay, perfect. So once again, one. Okay, and after this, we're just gonna do a whoa again, and that's it, that's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it twice from the beginning. Once slow so that we remember everything, and then once fast. And then the only thing you'll have to do is to practice it at the Tik Tok speed. So first we're gonna do it slow. Let's go. Whoa, roll, clap, circle, wave, wave, whoa, cover, me, elbow, one, two, mop, and circle, one, two, one, two, step, two, walk, 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 look, circle, whoa. Okay, perfect, and now we're gonna do the same thing, but faster. Let's go. Whoa, roll, clap, circle, one, two, whoa, cover, me, elbow, one, two, mop, and circle, one, two, three, four, step, two, walk, 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 look, circle, whoa. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed